So, ayan siya. Ayan, nakikita nyo. As you can see, sobrang foggy. Ang lamig ngayon? 2 degree. Ayan. Buti nga hindi siya nag-snow eh. So, ito naman yung kabila. Ayan, foggy talaga siya. So, ayan. Bubuksan naman natin yung dito naman. Ayan, tawag dito guys, shutter. Shutter tawag nila dito. Oh my God, sobrang foggy. Di ba alam nyo yan, may mga buntok-buntok dyan banda. Ayan, di na nakikita. Oh my God, pati rin dito. Ayan guys, oh. Di ba may mga bahay-bahay dyan, tsaka bundok. Ayan, di na nakikita. Sobrang foggy.
It's
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Shida. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang kami. Ba't ka umiiling, baby? Ayan, ang ganda. Pwede mag-fishing doon. May mga nag-fishing doon. Ayan, huge lake to. Lalakad kami. Nice yung weather, pero malamig.
the spring is in Steinheim. It's about 15 kilometers. And then it's getting bigger by the creeks and it ends up in the Weser. So the Weser River is where we have been on your second day here. You remember when we go to the Rossmann and we walk through the city center.
Yeah. Maganda dito mag-walking guys. Tapos pwede mag-bike. Ganon. Is this not a human over there?
A human?
Beside, yeah,
It is a human, yeah.
beside of the ano. I don't know.
Statue?
Yeah, or like wood, something like that.
Yeah.
Tree.
Looks like he will sleep soon. Too green here. I don't know what's going on. Too green, really. Want to walk here? Running?
I can try my road back here.
Yeah, very cool. You just need to take care of the pedestrians, yeah, because oh,
So guys, tignan nyo. May mushroom. Zoom natin. Saan ba yun? Saan ba na? Ito. Ayun, ito. Mushroom yan. So nagpicture-picture kami dun banda guys. Kasi ang ganda. Kulay yellow yung mga leaves. So, ito yung mga sample na picture na ginawa namin. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda tignan kasi, yung kulay talaga ng mga leaves. Mixed color. Yellow, orange, and then red, mga ganun. Ayan, may kubo-kubo sila dyan. Pag mapagod ka or umuulan, nandyan sila.
you can go to the White Park next time, and then you see what kind of animals we have here. They have all the local, and they have also a group of wolves. Wolves? Yeah.
Ano yan? Ba't tingnan mo yung kapatid mo? Ayos mo nga siya. So guys, ayan, nag-set up ako ng namin. Tawag dito? Ng food namin. So ayan, tignan nyo ang astig ng tissue. Tissue yan. Tapos ito yung cucumber salad. And then yung mga sauce. Kasi burger tsaka fries yung dinner namin for today's video. So ayan.
Or you want to stand during eating? Thanks. Looks like we
Oo,
are.
sige na. Ano ka na? Yum!
Ano to?